Cuisinart Compact Blender is a complete blending system. It comes with 4 BPA-free travel cups, each with a convenient sip lid, a 32-ounce full blender cup that has these great grooves in the side to make it easy to hang on to, a 8-ounce chopping and grinding cup, and these blades, which are stainless steel, high quality and high impact blades. 350 watts of power in the base and a 3-year warranty. It is everything you'll ever need in the kitchen to get some blending done. Breakfast for the road will allow me to show you how you can blend for one. A tablespoon of flaxseed and using the grinding head goes in simple, look at that. No aligning, it just drops into position. On high, 10 to 15 seconds, and I have a perfect ground flaxseed. I love these simple breakfast shakes. They're so easy to throw together and yet they're so nutritious. Fresh blueberries in, 3 strawberries stemmed. And what I also love is there's no prep. I can just pour all these ingredients together, some orange juice or your favorite fruit juice, some really healthy Greek yogurt, which will give really nice richness. And then the best part is I can switch to the blending blade. It self-levels, it finds the sweet spot so easily. I flip it, drop it in, and in just a few seconds, I have the perfect shake for the road. Take off the lid, my convenient travel lid, and I'm ready to go. There's nothing quite like fresh ground spices, and with a chai tea it allows me to showcase those spices, and with this grinder I can do it simply and get great results. I've got 1 cinnamon stick broken in half, some star anise, beautiful spice, licorice fragrance, black pepper for some high notes, a little bit of heat, and cloves. Everything in whole, and I'm using the chopping blade. Simple to put on. And one of the great features about the blender is we have the option to pulse. So I can select the pulse button. The flashing LED lets me know I'm about to pulse, and a couple quick pulses. And what that does, it allows the product inside to be thrown up, drop back down, and then grind again. Once I've pulsed, I can turn it off, and I can run it on high for about 40 seconds. Now, a couple teaspoons of this beautiful spice mix into milk. You can use almond milk. In this case, I've got half and half. I'm going to the stove with this, gonna bring it to a simmer, let all that flavor come together, and then bring it back and make a gorgeous tea. With the cream infused, I'm gonna add some orange zest, which is gonna brighten up the flavors. And after the orange zest, some fresh ginger, give it a little bit of a kick, and that real distinct ginger flavor. Now that that's in, I've got some beautiful loose leaf black tea. You can use 6 tea bags for this recipe if you'd like. I'm gonna give this a quick stir and allow this to steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. The compact blender will make short work of ice, giving you beautiful crushed ice every time. Now that the tea has steeped and I've got this incredible aroma coming off, I'm gonna add it by straining it through a fine sieve. And I'm telling you, once you make this at home, you'll never buy store-bought again. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, just a quick low pulse, and I have a perfect chai tea that could either be served hot or, in this case, cold. We're supposed to eat healthy, but who has the time? This piece of equipment will make your life easy and you'll be healthier. This recipe, Super Green Soup, is so simple to assemble. I want to show you how quick it is. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, got some fresh parsley, and some nutritious kale, all going in. Chicken stock or vegetable stock, shallots, and garlic, and some beautiful fragrant leek. all of this is going to go onto the stove. I'm going to bring it to a simmer, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Now that my soup is slightly cooled, it's ready to plate. I'm going to take a scoop of the chopped kale and some of those beautiful veg. I want to leave a little bit of texture in the soup. The rest is going to go into the blender. I'm going to use the blending blade. You can see how easily that goes on the base, onto the mount, and again, really simple mounting. And I'm going to put some of the heavier chopped pieces in the bottom first. This is warm, so don't use hot liquid. The one great thing about this blending system is that it is BPA free, so you can use that warm liquid with great confidence. Now that the soup has come together nicely, I can conveniently hang on to this. It's got those grooved sides. Pour that over my finished soup. I'm adding that lovely cream. It's just perfect. A little seasoning to finish, a little bit of black pepper, and a tiny little bit of salt. Don't forget, you could just as easily put this in the to-go cup, take it with you, and you've got a nutritious and healthy alternative to any day.